Why are my plants so beautiful? Because I got plant nutrients, all right? To have a nice ecosystem like I do, you need to pour at least once in a while the plant nutrients, all right? Look at the growth of it. Beautiful. Especially because I have plenty of shrimp that require a lot of nutrients. And I constantly have to be cutting them. Every other day I come in here, I cut the stems because it's a beautiful atmosphere I have in here. It gives a great ambiance because of the nutrients and the supplements. Everything ties in together. Fishes are happy. Growth of shrimp is to a highest I ever had. So if you guys are looking for great supplements or plant growth, to have it like nice, beautiful aquascape like I do. I already read the instructions. I know exactly how much to put on. And then we're just gonna mix it up. And this is great for my plants, right? Look at it becomes like a white mercury. You see it? That's because it's gonna go through all the plants right now. Go through my whole plants right now. So give it a couple minutes. This thing will go away and it'll clear up. But look at the actual plants. These are brand new. They just popped out the other day. So that's because I keep adding these supplements and the beautiful plants. I keep cutting them down because they grow so much. Okay, how much are you gonna put? How big is your tank right now?
So 40.
40 gallon, and how much are you gonna add here?
I'm gonna put at least about here in between these two, and I'm gonna put at least about like 4 of them.
And this is once a week.
Correct.
And this is the plant nutrient.
Mm-hmm.